How to change Reddit username. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Reddit username. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device. If you do not have the Reddit application, then you can easily download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you have opened the application, you will be led to the home page of Reddit. Make sure you have signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the profile option you see there. Here you will then see the edit button, tap on that. Now under display name, text box, go ahead and enter the name of your choice. Keep note that doing this will just change the display name on your profile and keep your username as it is, as there is no such way to change your username on Reddit for now. The username you entered while creating your profile is your permanent username. However, if you still want another username, then you will have to create a new profile and then enter the username of your choice. So as of now, there is no such way to change your username. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.